All right, so good morning. We are off to Midori so Dustin can get his exhaust put on that he custom ordered. It's been being built. But check this out. So this is how we're parked at the hotel. It's crazy. We're gonna get on the road right after this, but how cool is that? So that's how we're rolling out here. All right, so we are at Midori where Dustin is getting his exhaust, and you can see pulling in right in front of us. We were here last year and he said verbatim, when I buy my R34, this is where I'm bringing it. And here we are. It was R34 and we're pulling in. And I quote, when I get my R34,
we did it, baby.
This is where I'm bringing it.
This is so dope, dude.
We can pull this two cars right here. Look at these. We can take the mountain. Oh, no. It will be back. Oh, okay.
Alright, so Dustin's car is on the lift getting some exhaust on.
Yeah, that's that. Like in
Yeah.
in out.
But the 5 hour cycle. Wow. Looks insane.
So while we're here, we're gonna walk around and check out some of the random things chilling in the parking lot. A lot of stuff is covered up, but maybe we'll find something good. Carboy. So many cars just sitting here. Got a Stagia back there. R32's just chilling out.
You confirmed it's a mine's down.
It is mine's? Yeah, I know. Got a little GTT here, some R32s, R34 in the back, another R34 chilling. A 33, 35, all of these just waiting. To get built. This car is absolutely crazy. We saw it last night. It's got the Medori Endless GTR brakes. Total Medori build. Crazy, crazy car.
Oh, it sounds so good. Wow. Super quiet. It's so.
It's a nice rumble, dude.
Oh man. Oh my god. Sounds amazing. Dude, that's how it should sound. Dude. Wow. It sounds so good.
Such a nice low rumble.
Yeah. We have the dog one too, so yeah.
Nice. Man, it looks like he drives the shit out of this thing. Alright, so we just finished up at Midori. Dustin's got his exhaust on. David and I are gonna hit an up garage and see if we can find some cool parts for our cars.